Hello there, YouTubers, and welcome to another DrCassette video. Well, it's one of the first nice and warm days of 2010. It's really good weather. Sun is shining and the birds are singing and stupid helicopters are flying. And yeah, I visited the dump once more, and this video is to show you what I found there. And here they are, today's finds, and we're going to go from left to right. Here we have a pair of Inter-Audio by Bose speakers. They're nice and compact two-way speakers. Here you can see one of them with the vent taken off. Inter-Audio by Bose. Let's take a look at the back side. Here is the back side. Bose Inter-Audio 2000 XL. You can see the maximum continuous power is 70 watts. Impedance, something between 4 and 8 ohms. An acoustic couple design, and this was made in Ireland. Let's continue with some low quality from Taiwan. This is a, I don't know what, surround sound subwoofer amplifier affair made by Cyber Home. Okay, now I'm not going to keep this one, of course. I'm going to see if there is a good amplifier inside or not. If there is one, I'll take it out. If there isn't, the whole thing is going to go back to the dump in one piece. Here we have the back side, and there you can see the inputs and outputs. Special jack for the inputs and some RCA jacks for the outputs of the front, center and rear speakers. And that's it about this thing. Next along we have these two things. A 2000s Sony dual cassette deck, which I just got to take the belts out. This is a piece of junk, of course. It's a low quality thing. On top of that we have a Technics CD player, model SLJ25. Maybe this manages to work. That would be really nice, because currently I have only one working CD player. And last but not least we have this thing here, which is probably the most interesting item of today. This is a Sherwood digital signal processor. Okay. Now this has all sorts of features, has Dolby surround and all sorts of stuff. Well, it's a signal processor. One thing it does not have is a full-featured amplifier. As you can see, this has a whole lot of inputs for both audio and video, but it has only outputs for rear and center speakers. For the front speakers and the subwoofer, it just has this video out that you can see in the middle right there. So what I'm going to try to do to make this being useful, I'm going to try to build in an amplifier for the front speakers. I don't need subwoofers, those are useless on the music that I like to listen to. And there you can see the amplifier chip. It's one of those horrible chips out of the STK series, and I'm probably going to try and replace that one as well, so that I have a nice amplifier in there for the rear, center and front channels. That would be nice to have. So, all in all, it is a digital sound processor AV surround affair, but it's not a full amplifier because, well, the amplifiers for the most important front channels are missing. Designed in USA, assembled in Korea. Oh yes. But this thing is definitively going to be a project, and, well, I guess you're going to see this in DrCassette's workshop one day. But to start with, I'm going to mess around with this little piece of garbage thing here. So, there you have today's dump finds. I think the best items I found are these Bose speakers, but the most interesting item I found is this digital surround sound processor thing there. So, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I think I'm going to leave you with some more helicopter videos. See you again soon!